Hi, my name is Pankaj. So I met with an bike accident on 18th of February 2023. So after that I got to know that I met with an ligament injury in my left knee. So my first primary treatment was to, so I got to know that ACL has happened, anterior cruciate ligament, so that one of my ligament has been completely torn out. After many discussions, I got to know that the only treatment for this ACL is a surgery. I got my surgery done at Epic Hospital under the guidance of Dr. Dhiraj Marothi. He himself and his colleague Dr. Prathmesh Jain performed the surgery at Epic Hospital in Ahmedabad only. And my overall experience, in just one day I am completely able to feel normal. I didn't feel any pain during this thing. So this entire surgery got done in 1 minute, got done in 1 hour, and after that I am supposed to take a rest. So the entire experience of the hospital, in the Epic Hospital, the staff and the overall environment and the accommodation facility has been pretty good so far, and the staff has been very cooperative, and at the just one point of call they are all available, and doctor supervision is also there after the operation. So I'm pretty much satisfied with the entire thing, and thank you Dr. Marothi and Dr. Prathmesh Jain.